Hi, Gigi. How are you doing today?
I'm great.
Welcome to our center.
If I would have gone through my dentist, I would have had to make 3 appointments and do all 3 of those things over successive days or weeks in order to get what I got from ClearChoice on the first visit.
ClearChoice has the perfect name because it really was a clear choice. When we started looking online at the other companies that did this, there was no comparison. And once we walked in the door, we just knew it was the right place.
When they told me that I was a perfect candidate and that my bones were still good for them to do what they needed to do, was the best news that I ever got.
What happens at ClearChoice is that we're able to combine all of this expertise, all of these specialists, and place them under one roof and allow them to execute one mission, which is to restore patients' overall health by restoring their oral health and giving them their smiles back.
Let's go check out our lab team over here.
So everything's done right here.
Yes, and that's why we can have you walk out with teeth in one day.
Wow.
I believe the difference between ClearChoice and the other dental choices are the details. They took x-rays of my mouth to see what would best fit me. They took different teeth and showed them to me so that it would be more natural looking for me, and then somebody put that together and made it happen.
When you spend 20 or 30 years thinking about what you'd like to improve, when they show it to you, it's pretty easy to choose what you want because you've spent years dreaming about it.
I have consultations with people. They're free consultations. My hope when they leave is that I've given them my opinion as an expert, and I have empowered them to make a decision that is in their best interest.
I love it!
It's gorgeous. You deserve this. New chapter, day 1. Congratulations.